John Osborne here. Let's do the FX Education Outlook for August 15th, 2017. We'll start out by looking at the Euro Pound, our bullish portfolio. You can see we're continuing to make a move higher, and we just crossed above the previous pivot of around 0.91181. So we're going up to go higher. We're heading up for next resistance of right here on this previous pivot on the weekly. That's a high of about 0.91442. So we can get through that one. We can watch to go further. And our next resistance would be probably at the high of this monthly high here. Well, that's the same point actually. So we could go quite a bit further if we can get above that one. And that would be a really nice run if that happens. So watch for a break above that 0.91442. Okay, next up we have the Euro US dollar. And the Euro US dollar, I've got this consolidation downtrend here that's happening after this move up, and we might be in a little bit of a downtrend here, but we'll check to see if we can break above this trend line, and if we do, then we can see a continuation back up in the direction that we entered this consolidation in. So let's watch that and see if we can break above that line. Moving over to our bearish portfolio, you can see that we have broken through this support line of 0.78742. So now that puts us in more of a bearish stance, and so we're going to go ahead and move this down to our bearish portfolio and watch for that to move lower. For the pound yen, you can see we bounced off this line, went up and did a little bit of consolidation, and move back down towards this trend line again, and we're just kind of riding along that trend line without breaking through it. This is on very bullish movement here that we're seeing here on our MACD, but we're seeing this little bit of a rise here on our 240. So we could actually draw in a trend line there, but I believe we've already broken through it, and therefore it's going to be a little tough to use that as a significant break point. We are kind of breaking through and retesting it. If we make a move down now and break through this previous low here, then we could see further movement lower, but it looks like it wants to go higher with the bullishness that we see here. We're still watching that weekly trend line for a possible break lower. With the Aussie yen, you can see this one did a similar pattern. It's broken lower, but this one has a better defined consolidation uptrend here. So we could be watching for a break of this line and see if it moves with any kind of velocity lower once it breaks through that 86.415 or so. And we have that weekly line that we're also sitting right on here. And that might be what's really making us bounce right here. So we can break through that weekly line, we could see us fall through that line. We've got the pound US dollar. That one is moving lower on the break of the 1.29319. And so we are moving down towards the 1.28110 now. Okay, we've got some old support and resistance lines on here that we'll just go ahead and take off, and keep an eye on this line here, which is at 1.28110 as support. Finally, in our consolidating portfolio, we're just really are consolidating inside of this range from 108.112 to 114.367. So we'll be watching to see if we can break out of that range. This is the one that we were following inside of these two trend lines that we had here. We're just moving sideways for now, so we'll watch for that breakout. And that'll do it for today. Remember, you can subscribe to my videos by clicking on the image of me on the upper right, or you can look at previous videos by clicking on the video image in the upper left. And until next time, have a great rest of your day.